You know, if I'm not mistaken, that looks like a dog's penis. That's not what I was going for. Hey everyone, okay, so what I thought I would do this video is do my top 5 eyeshadow palettes. Why not? Why not? So let's make a start. So let's start with this one. And this is by Dose of Colors, and it is the Baked Brown palette. And it is a beautiful palette filled with your neutral, natural shades. And this palette, you can do everything with this. You can contour an eye with this, you can do smoky eye. It's just a great all-round palette and one that I'm just incredibly fond of. The next one is the Bella Sophia palette, also used to be known as Dolce Vita. And this is what it looks like. Again, it's a brown palette, but with a red russet tone here. And you've got that celestial shade, which is just exquisite. It is one of my favorite palettes because it's so beautiful. Let's do another Charlotte one, then there's 2 totally different brands or brand. So the next one is the Pillow Talk palette, and this is the large palette. I think this is great. I mean, you can see that I'm a big fan of the brown sort of eyeshadows, but this has a more rose tone to it, and you've got these kind of more reddy, pinky undertones. It's a great palette. So next are 2 from Pat McGrath. Now I have a love-hate relationship with Pat McGrath palettes. The quality of them is incredible. I know where they're made. The quality is perfect. It's just you get so little product for the amount of money, but I still keep buying them. So this is the Pat McGrath palette, and I believe this is the rose. Is this the rose? I don't know. Well, it is the rose palette, but I don't quite know the name of it properly. But it's so pretty. I mean, the colors in here are just so beautiful. They're dreamy and romantic and just, oh, it is the prettiest palette. It's so pretty. And this is a real favorite of mine. This is Pat McGrath as well. Now, I hate the packaging on this, which is the cardboard packaging. I just hate it. But I think this palette is great. This is a really bright palette, and it's got that incredible purple in it and pink, and you can just add a little bit of these brighter colors to the outside corner of the eye and just have it look incredible. And I just love it. I think all these palettes here are just, they're perfect. Now, of course, I could have picked a lot more, but there's no point because this does it. There's no point me giving you my top 10 if I can just do it in 5. And I think that kind of sums it up. It's an incredible range here. And I just love the earthy brown colors. You can just do so much with them. And then I like those brighter pop of colors to add to the outer corner of the eye or whatever you wish to do, but I think it's really clever. Okay, so before I go, look at this. So when my lipsticks launched, I decided to get a t-shirt printed, and it was all done correctly, right? It was all done specifically. It looked glorious on the screen. Well, this is what it turned out like. Now, is that the fattest lipstick you've ever seen? Look how big that is. I mean, that is a huge lipstick. It didn't look anything like that. It was really slimline and gorgeous. I mean, what is that? I mean, what is that? I won't be using them again. That's all I'll say on the matter. All right. Friday's video, I believe, is a really, well, I know it is, but I believe it's going to be a nice, really good one. You know, try and do a reaction video to this incredible makeup tutorial that I saw online. So, and you know me, I'm never going to do anything awful or mean-spirited. It's always going to be lovely, but it's very fun. So anyway, I'll see you all very soon. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.